up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us again. Today we're going to do some beef ribs for you. Flanken style ribs, as I like to call them. They're cut across the bones. So you got one slab, I'll show you in a minute, but basically you got all the bones and you cut right through them and you got a big old hunk of meat. Good stuff, folks, good stuff. I like them better than them dinosaur bone ribs. But I got the Santa Maria grill attachment we're going to use today from Gabby's Grills. So I'm using my Weber kettle, my Weber Performer. I've got some mesquite lump charcoal in the chimney starter back here. You can probably hear it popping. And we're going to use some pecan wood chunks to keep the fire going once we got the lump going, all right? So we need to prep up those ribs. Let me show them to you, folks. This is going to be a good video. Y'all stick around. All right, folks, these are those beef ribs. I got 4 of them. There's no sense in taking off the membrane off the back, but these were just cut. I had the butcher cut them today for me. And what I did, I would just rinse them, knock all the bone dust off each side, patted them dry with paper towels, but that's what we got. Now, as you can see up close here, that's a bone, 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 bone. So you got your regular rib bones, and instead of the bone extending here and here and you having one long bone, you got bone cutting across the meat like that. So these are called cross-cut beef ribs or flanken style ribs. This is where you get short ribs like this too, okay? You can take each one of these, cut them like that. There's your short rib. See? Anyway, what we're going to do here, hadn't used this Cosmos Q cow cover in a while, so I figured we'd give old Cosmo a plug there. It's good stuff, folks. Y'all can see I've got you know, a good bit of that bottle's already gone. Anyway, we're gonna and I'm not putting anything on here, no binder or anything. I'm just gonna coat this down really good on all sides except for the back. There's no need to do the back side where the membrane is. But you know, get all this done, pat all this in. So let me do the rest of them, the other 2 sides. We'll be right back, folks. All right, guys, I think it's fixing to rain on me over here. Let's go ahead and dump these lump charcoal out here. Nice little fire, nice little fire. There we go. Put the Santa Maria grill attachment on there if I can reach it. Oh yeah, there we go. Just like that, baby. So that's the Santa Maria grill attachment if y'all hadn't seen it before. Again, Gabby's Grills makes these, and I'll put a link to his website where you can get a hold to him anyway. Good dude, Junior. He's really a good dude. All right, let's put us some lump charcoal, some actual wood chunks in there. Get them going. So again, I got a big old hunk of pecan right here. Another little hunk of pecan. Gonna build us a nice bed of coals down there. Lower this again, let that grill start getting a little warmed up. Yeah, that's probably good right there. Just like that. Once it warms up, I'm gonna scrape it clean. We'll bring y'all back and let these ribs get going here real quick. So y'all stick around. It's gonna be great. All right, guys, I just put these ribs on. As you can see, I've got it raised up so that the flames are just barely kissing the bottom of the grate here, about the bottom of the meat. So I'm not going to cook these super fast. Just going to treat them like this and keep adding wood as I need to, or lower this down and raise it up. However, you know, if some grease starts dripping down, it may start flaming up real bad. I may have to raise this up a little bit. So keep an eye on it. Just let her go. We'll check back here probably in an hour or so and see how we're looking. All right, folks, it's been 1 hour and these are looking really, really good. I'm just leaving them bone side down. I did flip-flop these 2 because this one was in the middle and it was cooking really, really quick. This one's a little bit thinner, but you can see the membrane on the bottom is kind of tightening up and we're getting a little pullback on the bones now. I think they're looking really, really good. I'm going to keep them bone side down. We're just going to keep checking them. And as I'm adding wood, I'm noticing I have to raise this up a little bit because the wood catches fire and starts flaming up really high. So I keep adjusting the height of the grill here. Can't wait to try these out, man. This is going to be some good eating. All right, folks, that's what we're looking like right now. I'm going to go ahead and read the temp on these and see what they're looking like, so I can get some meat, not the fat. It's reading 162, 163. That one's only about 147, 155, 147. All right. So the two outer ones are not cooking as fast, so I'm gonna go ahead and rotate these around just a little bit. I'll do something like that. And also about a half hour ago I started spritzing these. I just got some beef broth in here. Just kind of coating them down, just kind of keep them moist. And I'm thinking these are getting pretty close to me wrapping them. I am going to wrap these today, folks. Make sure you get the ends. Yeah, so about another half hour or so, we'll bring you back. I think I told you that he's been on for an hour and a half, so right about hour 2, I'm going to go ahead and wrap these. I'll bring you back then. Alright gang, we're 2 hours and 15 minutes in. Go ahead and check these again. About 153. That one's actually reading 190 something. 162, 163, 180 something. Alright, so these outer ones definitely pick back up. I'm going to go ahead and wrap these up. And I'm in kind of a hurry because it's raining on my camera right now. Hopefully it'll be alright. Alright, so we got that did. Let's go in here. Tiger sauce, folks, tiger sauce. Good stuff. Use it. Woo, doggy, it's good. I'm going to put the whole bottle in there. This is a good size bottle too. This is a 10 ounce bottle. We'll go in with some butter. Fake butter, folks. Like I said, I'm in a hurry. I could have cut up some butter because I got it, but I'm in a hurry. Alright. If you got real butter, use it. Going in with some Jank sauce, man. Barbecue sauce. The Jank. This is the spicy version of it. It's good stuff. I know a lot of y'all can't get it, but I think you can order it online. If I can find the link for it, I'll put it in the description box for you folks. This is good stuff right here. I'm going to save some of this Jank sauce to put on at the very end after we unwrap them. Beef broth. Go in with some beef broth, folks. And pour the beef broth around the edges so that butter and stuff doesn't come off. Alright, we're good there. We'll get us some foil, heavy duty foil. Should be enough. We're going to cook these until they're really tender. Kind of like beef burn-in tender, you know, melt in your mouth tender. That's what I'm shooting for. Stick that on there like that. Let that baby go. We need to throw some more wood in there. My wood's getting kind of depleted. All right, throwing in one big log. There you go. And I got one more log left, so we may need to start using some more of the lump charcoal after that other log. Anyway, we'll bring y'all back here in a little bit. I'm gonna leave it like that right there. I don't want to cook too fast. Okay, let me get my camera out of the rain. All right, we've been going 3 hours and 45 minutes. I checked at about the 3.5 hour mark, and we were right about 200 degrees internal. Let's see what we're looking at now. Reading 208, 210. Well, I'll tell you what, it's probing like melted butter, y'all. 211. 211. I think we're good to go, folks. And you can see some of the evaporation happening in there. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm gonna take these ribs and see if I can. I'm not gonna be able to. I'll tell you what, I'm just gonna throw some Jank sauce on top of them. Brush them down. I don't have a brush out here with me right now because I thought I'd be able to flip these over, but they're super tender. We're going to coat them down with some Jank sauce. And we're going to leave the foil off. And we're fixing to munch. We're fixing to eat. Well, that's gonna be some good eating right there. I'm gonna leave the foil off. Just let that that barbecue sauce cook on there like another 15 minutes. That's gonna be a total of 4 hours for a cook. We'll bring y'all back when we're pulling it off or when we're tasting it. We're at the 4-hour mark, and I think these are done enough for me. Take a look at that. Doesn't that look great? Tell you what, folks, we're gonna sit this over on the side. We're gonna let that go for a little bit and let it cool off. Then we'll cut into it. We'll be right back. Y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be good. All right, folks, this is rested for like I don't know, 15 minutes. Let's see if we can get one of these out of here. Oh man, see if I can get it out without damaging it too bad. Now we got 4 bones. We're good. There we go. Man, all right, let me bring you down closer. Y'all can see me cut this. And there you are, guys. Check that out. That's a fine looking rib right there. Let's go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna cut it between the bones here. Oh yeah, she's falling apart, man. That's tender. And of course that membrane is gonna be tough because it was on the bottom the entire cook. Woo, that's hot. Dadgum. Alright, there we go. There's one. There's one. Alright, one more. Come on. You can do this, T-Roy. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. That and that. There it goes. We're gonna try this piece right here. Slice her off the bone. She's actually ready to pull off the bone. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's give this a try. See what it tastes like. Alright guys. Y'all can see I still got a bunch of them ribs back here behind me, but I did cut up a couple slices and now check out that bark. It's got that Cosmos Q cow cover on there. Got some Jank sauce on there. The spicy version, which I like. Beef ribs, Flanken style. On the Santa Maria grill from Gabby's Grills. Link down below, folks. Tell them old T-Roy sent you. Holy cow. This is going to be some good eating. Let's go. I swear, that is so good. So tender. So much flavor. Man. Hang on, gotta get another one. This is good, y'all. I wish y'all could join me on this. Jamming. Just like burnt ends. That is so fine. That is seriously some jamming barbecue right there. Gotta love the flavor that Santa Maria grill puts into it, and I use pecan wood for the majority of the cook. But I'm telling you what, man, them Flanken style ribs, that's jamming. If y'all enjoyed this, y'all give me some thumbs up. If you're not subbed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna be cooking some more on this Gabby's grill, this Santa Maria grill, and I got a bunch of other pits back here we can cook on too. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff this summer. Hope y'all share this video, folks. And when you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody.